Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jane and this tutorial we're talking about exams. Now the login member is Odum Grace, and Odum Grace happens to be the vice principal. Now the exam we're talking about right now, we have the capability of the vice principal has the capability of actually specifying the weight of the exam for each particular subject and for each particular class. Now the beauty of this is this. Whenever scores are being entered for students for each particular subject and each particular class, you find out that the exam score can always be scored over something, and the vice principal can force a particular percentage to always be allocated to the exam, and the remaining percentage will be allocated for the test, for the assignment, and for the projects. Now, for example, can say that the exam will always take 70% and any other thing that comes later can take 30%. And this is the way we're going to create that. Now, we can view already created exams. When we click on this, we view already created exam. When we click on this, we can create exam. Now, when we click on that, we find out that there are about 3 exams that we created for. That is English language for SS2D, and mathematics for SS2D, mathematics for SS2E. Now we have that the total score for this one is 0, total score for this one is 0. Maybe the subject teacher that teaches these two subjects that they have not updated that. And what we mean by the total score and weight is this. The weight is that 75% of the final score for that subject will always be from this exam, and the remaining 25% can be from tests, projects, and assignments. Now the total score can be anything, it can be over 120, and when you record your exam over 120, the system is going to compute the equivalent score over 75 and use it to compute the score that is going to be found on the report card. Now what happens is this: when you create these exams, automatically you force this teacher that actually teaches English language SS2D to always not to have any other the test, assignment, and project will not exceed 25%, because 25% plus 75% makes 100%. Now each of these exams can be viewed and they can be edited, they can be deactivated, and whenever you can have multiple updates. Like you can update the particular 2 exams at the same time. You change their name and you change their, let's say, weight, then you can submit and the 2 of them will be updated at that point in time, let's say. And we can also do multiple updates. We can deactivate about 2 of them like this, and we'll click here. These 2 ones will be deactivated. Then the other capability is that we can download this record as an Excel file, and we can actually carry out some other data analysis on them. Now when we get back to the interface, we can create exam, and when we create exam, it's possible to write a name and write the weight. Automatically all subjects and the classes, the subject teachers that has subject teachers, all of them, the exams for those, all of them will be created. What I mean is that, take for example, in let's say JS2, we don't have let's say bead making teacher, then it means that the exam for bead making will not be created, because there is no teacher that is assigned to teach a subject for JS2. That is what we mean by that. And at this juncture, we'll come to the end of this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and make sure you scroll a sign up on Scholars. Goodbye.